Good morning, everybody. It's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going and getting lash extensions done. It's been years since I've had anything done like that. The last time that I had it done was probably like 7 or 8 years ago. Loved them, but at the time I wasn't wearing eyelashes on a regular basis, so I basically didn't take care of them and they just fell out. One of the lash salons here that actually was in the same space that Linwood of Glamfam was in when he was doing hair has their own huge studio now, and they were offering a huge discount on in and being like a lash model. So I figured, why not? I'm hella cheap, and this would be a good way to sort of figure out if this is something that I wanted to do on a regular basis. Get very expensive, and the salon that does the lash extensions, it's a pretty higher end salon, and they, the prices are a little higher. So I figured I would go ahead and go in and be a lash model, get my lashes done, see how this works. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of makeup on, just a little bit to cover up, some foolery that I have going on. Okay, everybody, so I am driving to my appointment. You see how bald my eyes are. Hopefully they will let me record, but if they don't, this is the before with these bald little baby eyes. But anyways, I hopefully will see you guys in a little bit. Here, they did say I can record a little bit. Super cute studio. I'll show you guys around. And yeah, I'm just waiting for my lash tech to come get me. Anyway, it's super cute studio, and yeah, I'm excited. I hope I don't drop this on my face.
So you don't have any makeup on?
Not on my eyelids, no.
Hi.
So I am here at this horrible angle. This is Ashley. Hey, she is here at Degal, and she is going to be doing my lash extensions today. Yeah, I don't think I've ever filmed with myself laying down like this, guys, so bear with me. I hope I don't drop it on anybody. We're gonna get started. It's been years since I've had any lashes done, so it'll be like my first time.
So first and foremost, what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna start taping down the bottom lash. The reason why is because as we put the lashes on, if we were to leave any of the bottom lashes exposed, you can cause the bottom and top eyelids to stick together, which is a complete disaster.
Right.
So we're going to avoid that. We're going to avoid that. So what we do is we use these gel pads, we tape it down, pull the cheeks down.
Because I am bald-headed. You guys know that I am bald. Like, there's nothing there.
The bottom part. So just open your eyes and look up at me. So we're going to push the cheeks down.
Anything to tape down. I swear I'm so bald-headed. Like my
actually
eyelashes.
you do have lashes, so don't say that.
I always say I always joke about how, because I love wearing like big thick lashes and stuff, so
thank goodness I got my nails done.
My nails are always ratchet, so it's okay, they're used to it.
So I'm gonna place it here.
This is really good.
So notice that we still have some of the bottom lashes exposed. So what we can do is you have the option of taking a third piece and just laying it flat across, like so. Okay, so close your eyes. No watering?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit? Is it in the corner?
But my eyes water just a little bit at first. It should dry up after that.
Okay, so we do also have the air machine. So if you do decide, if your eyes do continue to drip or water, we'll stop and then we'll pause and then we'll actually spray with the air.
Okay.
And how does that feel?
Comfortable. Feels fine.
All right. So now also too, sometimes these corner lashes can be really hard. Okay. So what we like to do is we like to tape the corners here. And this will give it more of a wing effect. Close your eyes. See how it pulls the top lashes here in the corner?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Easy access.
Give me an eye lift.
This is actually what holds our glue. So you're gonna watch as I pick up the lash with these tweezers. I'm gonna dip the lash in from bottom and going up, and then I'm gonna separate and apply.
There's lashes that are sticking together. What should I do?
Believe it or not, you would probably, well, first and foremost, the goal is to like just make sure that your lash tech just gets all of it. I've never had that question actually asked before, to where it's like, okay, well, make sure this, that, and a third. You know, basically the whole goal is just to make sure before the client leaves
That that's already done.
that it's already done.
Okay.
That process right here, we're actually drying and setting the lashes. Don't want to let the client walk out with any wet glue or anything like that. So now we're just drying each side for 30 seconds. Go ahead and remove this tape.
Okay. Oh, my eye lift is gone. Back to saggy eyelids. I have lashes.
Yes, you do.
Everybody, so I'm home, I'm done. The entire experience was pretty relaxing. I definitely could have fallen asleep if I wasn't chatting with her. She was super friendly and was letting me know exactly what she was doing the entire time. So we have a more of a natural lash that I could put mascara on here if I wanted to, which, you know, I probably will. I like more drama queen, drag queen lashes. But this is definitely gonna be a good lash for like today if I'm not wearing a lot of makeup and I still want to look like I have, you know, something going on there, like I'm not super bald headed. Definitely will go back again and probably up it up and get a more dramatic lash. I had a good experience, super relaxing. Like I said, it's been years since I've had this done, so I didn't know what to expect. Super comfortable the entire time. So if you guys have had your lashes done, comment below and let me know how your experience was, good or bad. I will link all of Ashley's information in the description box below if you guys wanted to check her out. Hey everybody, it's the next day. I just wanted to show you guys how these lashes look with mascara. Absolutely love them. Perfect length. Just, you know, throw a little bit on, light makeup, and they look really, really pretty. So like I said, this is with mascara. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.